Maggie May. Maggie May. No dancing? Dancing. She's like, Maggie May dancing. Look at that body back. Maggie May.
Dance, Maggie May.
Shake a booty. Shake a booty. Shake a booty.
By the way, this is gonna go on YouTube, on my YouTube channel.
Shake a booty. Still recording me. Come on.
Oh.
Your butt is just hanging out of that skirt. Dancing. Dancing. Maggie May. Maggie May. Dancing. Do you need more light room?
No, I'm trying to flip it around so my camera, because I can flip around my camera. So the front camera, and I can't. I'll just do it.
Maggie May.
The baby you just saw was my friend Kim. I'm not going to show her because she doesn't want to be on camera. But it's her daughter, Maggie May. She's only, what, 1?
Yeah, she's here.
1 year old. Isn't she adorable? Anyways, so I promised this morning at 3 in the morning, because that's when I made another video, that I would make more videos. So, sorry they're still really crappy quality, but hey, at least you got a little cuteness in your day. Anyways, subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to put new videos up every week. Bye!